Welcome to Retail Magic's Payables Transaction Entry video. This procedure is used to record invoices for non-inventory tracked purchases, for example rent, hydro, office supplies, advertising, etc. Access this function in the Accounting module under Payables Transaction Entry. To begin, click the New button. As you can see, the system automatically assigns a receipt number. Next, input the supplier code. I like to set up my supplier code using the first three letters of the first two words of their name. For example, Yellow Pages would be YELPAG. Now when I get an invoice, I can input a Y, and only suppliers whose code starts with a Y will appear, making it easier to find the right one. You can also click the drop down beside supplier, click the column heading called Name, and the information is sorted alphabetically. Next, you must input an invoice number and a date. Now it's time to input the detail information. Click on the detail line and input or choose a code you've previously set up, or input a GL number. Tab over to the amount and input the amount. Continue tabbing, input the amount for HST on purchases, and input the amount of HST. When complete, click the refresh button. Notice the total is $1,140 and the system assumes we want this to go on account. If we wanted to pay this immediately, we could click the down arrow beside the payment, choose how we are paying for it, whether it's from our operating bank account with a check or with the company Visa, and then input the date of the check and the check number. For our purposes, we want to leave this on account, so I'll cancel this window. When we are happy with the information on the screen, we click the Post button. The repercussions of this transaction are an update to the payables, as we can see in the Setup Supplier. Notice the current balance is $1,140. We can also look at the payments or make a payment, and you can see our invoices sitting there. We can also view purchased invoice from this supplier or purchased products from this supplier. The repercussions to the general ledger can be seen in the general ledger entry. We have a debit for advertising, a debit to the GST paid on purchases, and a credit to our accounts payable. This concludes the Payables Transaction Entry video.